Hey there! Welcome to an exciting journey into the future of supply chain management. Ever wondered how blockchain is revolutionizing India's supply chain? Today, we're exploring its transformative power. Stick around. From enhancing transparency to boosting efficiency, blockchain is making waves. India's supply chain faces challenges with unauthorized products and lack of transparency. Enter blockchain technology. It provides a decentralized and immutable ledger. This system allows for end-to-end visibility and traceability of products. Layer 2 solutions, like zk-rollups, boost scalability and efficiency. Off-chain solutions enhance tracking and verification processes. Real-time monitoring and smart contracts automate processes. Zero-knowledge proofs ensure privacy and security. Blockchain analytics optimize logistics by predicting demand. Blockchain is transforming India's supply chain by tracking, verifying, and optimizing every step. The future is looking more efficient, secure, and reliable. Are you ready to embrace the change? The future is now. Thanks for watching. Share this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve. Thank you for joining us. Pause 2.0's. Welcome back. Blockchain is revolutionizing India's supply chain. Let's dive into mass electronics manufacturing. These sectors are ripe for transformation. Industries like pharmaceuticals, textiles, and agriculture face unique challenges. Counterfeit products and inefficiencies lead to significant losses. Blockchain provides a secure, transparent ledger. Imagine tracking every ingredient to ensure authenticity, or ensuring ethical standards in textile production. Electronics manufacturing involves complex supply chains. Ensuring component authenticity is crucial. Blockchain verifies origin and quality, reducing counterfeit risks. This enhances overall product quality. Smart contracts automate processes, reducing manual tasks. They streamline procurement, inventory, and quality control. This minimizes errors and speeds up production. Real-time monitoring and analytics provide valuable insights. Companies can optimize logistics and manage inventory efficiently. The result? Reduced costs and faster time to market. Blockchain holds immense potential for transforming industries. By enhancing transparency and efficiency, blockchain drives growth. Embrace the power of blockchain in your industry. The future is bright. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share if you found this insightful. Your support helps us bring valuable content. Stay innovative and keep exploring new horizons. See you soon.